Welcome back to my channel. Today we are camping at the highest mountain of the country. Let's see. What do you think about this place?
It's beautiful, I love it.
Yeah. How about these flowers? About these flowers?
It's a beautiful place.
I think so. It's so beautiful. Let me show you this beautiful waterfall. That clean water. It's just amazing. And now it's time for dinner. It seems delicious. Well, a lot of people are here just having fun. Although it's a sunny day, but it's a little bit cold here because of the snow. You can see so many snow caves here. Look at that view. It's so beautiful, but there's no trees because of the weather. Like the weather is super cold in winters. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.